Let's take a quick few minutes to go over the basic maintenance of our 2-row 1402 cornhead. General greasing instructions: all the bearings get greased once, twice a day. Just put a pump or so in, don't over grease. One of the common issues is over greasing. You may want to check your chains that they're nice and snug, they're not sloppy loose. You have 3 chains on the 1402 cornhead: the jack shaft chain, and then we also have the main rotor drive chain, and then underneath we have the blade drive chain. If you check them yearly, that's all that should be needed. One of the more critical things, yearly you may want to loosen up the slip clutch on the cornhead. I would highly recommend loosening it up to the point that it slips and then re-tightening it the same amount. The gearboxes can be checked yearly. There's 1 gearbox on the cornhead. Check the oil level once a year and you should be ready to cut for your harvest. That should cover the basic instructions for the 1402 cornhead.